took place in Washington, D.C. when tremor. As we get them alive here in California. Watch out for the truck! Oh no. CGI and special effects magic. Now, Earthquake, the attraction was inspired by Earthquake the movie, which was released back in 1974. It was a huge hit at Universal. One of the many disaster films that were popular during the time to start. From that to start many different types of films, including the Western.
For the both of us, Jimmy Fallon.
Well, I ain't going anywhere, Jimmy Fallon.
Now look here. Our folks in this town don't want no trouble. They just want to check out 6 points, one of the oldest sets on the Universal line.
I hear this where John Wayne and Jimmy Stewart shot a few of their westerns.
That's right. That's where I aim to shoot, yeah.
Looks like we got ourselves a Mexican standoff. Lucky shot.
Now what say you mount up and get out of town while the kid's good?
All right. Well, I'll see you again, fella.
Oh, you can count on it, fella. Again.
All right, fella. This is getting a beautiful place.
Jimmy's right. These are some of the oldest sets here at Universal, dating all the way back to the silent era film. That's where we can shoot 6 different westerns here at the same time, because as the name suggests, the 6 different streets here in 6 points, and each street was like its own town. It had its own bank, its own something, and its own hotel. All right, guys, we're going south of the border one more time. Take it from Old Mexico. This is actually where they filmed the scene from Pop.
From the Easter Bunny. Look, Dad, I want to drum in a band. I want to see the world.
Which is
Easter Bunny sees every country in one night. Oh, really, Dad? What about showing So we have
on the other side of China. Now guys, we have been all over the world here on the backlot. We've been to Mexico and China all in one place. We've been to Europe. We've been to New York. And here's a place we haven't been to yet. It's part of our nation right here, New England. And the island, to be exact. Whatever you guys are thinking, isn't that where Jaws lives? Well, no. How did you guys didn't hear the news today? Jaws is dead.
No!
Yes, he is. He is dead. My good friend George, he is the brave member of the